Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on iOS 18. 3. And tap General to access keyboard options. Scroll to Keyboard and tap it to view installed keyboards and settings. Tap Add New Keyboard and choose Genmoji from the third-party list to install it. After adding Genmoji, tap the installed entry to reveal permissions. Allow full access if you plan to use animated stickers and clipboard integration within apps. Close Settings and prepare to switch keyboards in any typing field for Genmoji use. Open any app that accepts text and switch to the Genmoji keyboard using the globe key. Tap the Compose icon to start a new Genmoji and choose a base face style. Select eyes, mouth, hair, and accessories from the Categorize tabs to customize appearance quickly. Use the color picker for skin and hair colors to match your preference precisely. Adjust the animation slider and choose one of 3 preset moods to preview movement before sending or saving. Tap Send to insert a Genmoji as an animated sticker directly into Messages or other compatible apps. To save locally, tap Save and choose Photos. Genmoji will export as a live image or GIF depending on your setting. Use Export to share a high-resolution GIF or PNG via mail, AirDrop, or third-party apps. When exporting, pick a quality option and resolution so the file size meets your sharing needs. Return to the keyboard to reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.